Welcome back. Let's do question 115. In the diagram alongside T is a point in the Cartesian plane such that OT is 17 units. P lies on OT, and then K is a point on the positive x-axis, and angle TOK is theta. Determine with the aid of the diagram the following: the value of A. Right, if you check, point T and point P are collinear. They are points on a straight line. So it means the gradient OT is equal to the gradient OP. So let's find the gradient of OT. This is the origin. So it will be change in Y over change in X. So it's basically Y over X. So it's going to be 15 over negative 8. So it's equal to the gradient of OP. So which is Y, which is A minus 0 is A. Then negative 2 minus 0 is negative 2. Cross multiply. A times negative 8 is negative 8A. I'm cross multiplying like this. 15 times negative 2, that is negative 30. We want to find A. We're going to divide by negative 8 on both sides of the equation. So it's negative 30 divided by negative 8. So A is equal to 15 over 4. Or we can say that OT is a straight line passing through the origin. So the equation of OT is Y is equal to the gradient mx. Then the gradient is negative 15 over 8. The same way we found the gradient is negative 15 over 8. Change in Y over change in X. So Y is equal to negative 15 over 8x. That's the gradient m. And then we substitute the coordinates of P to find A. So we can say A is equal to negative 15 over 8 times negative 2. Right, A is equal to negative 15 times negative 2 is 30 over 8. A is equal to 15 over 4. Okay, so that is the value of A there.